ELEANOR WENMAN Last updated 10/21, September 26, 2017. Port Marlborough doubles its tugboat capabilities with the arrival of the Manawai. Port Marlborough's latest and brightest new addition has been showing off her moves on the water. New tugboat, Manawai, celebrated her official arrival in Picton with a display of spins and water spouts. "She's a race car," Captain Alan Robson said. The Manawai joins the Mangadia as the port's second tugboat. The 30-meter boat made the journey from its old home in Bluffs Southport to Port Marlborough in August and has spent the last few weeks getting decked out and refurbished for use guiding cruise ships and log ships into the harbor. Read more. Picton, pegged for NC's largest dry dock waterfront new build, floated in Marlborough Sound's hundreds welcome first freight train to Cape Moore since November 14 earthquake. Truckies delivered to avoid economic disaster following the November earthquake. Port Marlborough Chief Executive Ian McNabb said crew members had been keen to take her out for a spin. Port Marlborough's latest addition, tugboat Manawai, celebrates her official arrival in port. "The guys are getting used to her, understanding how she works," he said. Built in 1973 by Wangeray Engineering, the Manawai joins the Mangadia as the port's second tugboat. "We realized for safety reasons we needed two tugs," McNabb said. "We've been on the lookout for a suitable tug of a similar size for a few years. New tugboats cost between $5 million and $6 million, he said, but buying both boats secondhand had been a saving for the port. The two ships will work as a pair to guide log ships," he said. As a celebration, both the Manawai and the Mangadia took to the water together on September 22. Crews on board both boats showed off the maneuvers the ships could do, and the Manawai crew created a water spout through a pump on the ship in celebration. A curious eel even swam out alongside the two ships as they sailed around the harbor. The Manawai also received a special blessing as a welcome to the port when she docked at Watohi Wharf. With a maximum ballard pull, or pulling power, of 28 tons, the Manawai will make her debut in early October. Her first official job had not been determined yet, but McNabb said it would likely be helping a log ship come into port. She would be crewed by 3 staff out on the water: a captain, a deckhand and an engineer. Southport Port Operations Manager Jeff Finnerty was there to see the Manawai take up her new position and said the ship would be a great addition to the port. Stuff.